doing some more baking experiments with using a frying pan, and I'm getting some mixed results. And so I've got this theory that these prepackaged mixes are not the best things for pan frying. And the reason I'm saying that is when you make and eat one of these muffins, they tend to be lighter and fluffier than homemade muffins. Fail. And they tend to brown up better. And so my theory right now is that things made from scratch are firmer and actually will bake better in a pan. So what I'm going to do is I've got some mixes here to make a bran muffin. And I wanted to get the weights on this anyway. So this is a double batch. I'm going to pan fry one. I'm going to bake one in a frying pan. I'm going to bake one in our baking kit in the Bobcat system. So I'll post what the ingredients on this are, but this is the Bran Muffin buttermilk powdered mix. This also has egg and brown sugar in it. So we'll take that, add a cup of water, mix it up, and you let this set for about 15 minutes. Okay, so the bran muffin's been soaking in the powdered buttermilk for about 10 minutes. I'm adding a bunch of dates. This is the other half of the mix. This is flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt. Okay, and I am making this two ways. I'm going to do it the dry baking method using the 5-inch pan. And I'm going to try the frying pan method. This is about 5 minutes. It's a little squishy. Better. 9 minutes. See, that's almost done. So there you go. Bran muffin, baked in the frying pan. Bran muffin, baked in our baking system, in our Bobcat system. So the difference is this took about 12 minutes to bake. Constant tension. You've got to sit there and watch it. Flip it over. Limited volume. This is a little bit less weight than this one. This one took about an hour. Once you light it, you forget it, you just let it go. So both ways are capable of making bran muffins. I think the pan method does not work well with those ready-made mixes. I think they're too fluffy. My general impression is things made from scratch come out fine.